yan sa rooms. So yung ward 50,000, pag semi-private 60,000 yung annual limit, the maximum benefit limit every year. Semi-private na to na without access to Asian Hospital. Pero meron sa rest of the 5-star hospitals is 100,000, and then small private 120,000 yung maximum limit with access na to the Asian Hospital dun sa may Alabang. Alright, so as low as 10,000 lang per member, and then kung kukuha ka ng mga kasama yung dependents mo, ito yon. No, 19K, 28K kapag dalawang dependents, 37K pag tatlo, 47K kung apat, and then in excess, 9K lang, no, 9,231 lang per additional dependent. So ganun din dito, 12,000 lang kapag semi-private, siguro naman mas gusto mo yung semi-private kesa ward, ayan, so 12K. 18,000 kapag semi-private, mas malaki na, 100,000, and then 21,000 kung small private. So again, kung hindi nagpo-provide yung company mo ng